Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can send emails to customers on form submission automatically. Now Cognito Forms I am taking here. You can take any form building application. Now Cognito Forms is an online form building application and here Mailgun is a platform where you can do email marketing. Now what is happening here? We are having a form submission through Cognito Forms, and whenever the people will have form submissions through Cognito Forms, what will happen? An automatic mail will be sent to them through your Mailgun account. Now, why would you need this automation? I am giving you an example. Suppose people have been filling out forms and they have been subscribing to your newsletters. So what you are doing, you are giving them a mail of thank you, that thank you for subscribing to our letters. You will receive more services like this in future. So this is just an example. You can have many other uses of this automation. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Cognito Forms and Mailgun together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect and then press enter, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this place here. And here you have two options: either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, just go for sign in. Signing up is also free and it will only take you 2 minutes to do that, and signing up will be giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So go and sign up if you do not have an account. Now I already have an account here, so I'll go for sign in, and after clicking on sign in, you will see that here I have all my softwares. I will just click on access now for Pably Connect, and here what I am going to do, you will see that I have all these automations here. So I'm just going to go and click on create workflow, and here I am going to give my workflow a name. So now we are going to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it the name Cognito Forms to Mailgun, and then I will click on create, and as soon as I will do that, you will see that we will be redirected here, and here you have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening here in trigger? We are having a Cognito form submission, so we'll go for Cognito Forms. Trigger event is new entry. Then we will go here, and you can see this is the webhook URL. So we'll just copy this webhook URL and we are going to follow these instructions here. Now you can read them later on. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So we will go here. This is the customer form I'm using. And then you will go to submission settings. After that, you will go here, post JSON data to a website. Now this button will be off for you. So you have to toggle on this button like I did here. And you will get this submit entry endpoint as a blank field. So you have to copy this webhook URL from here, go back and paste it here, and then click on publish and save changes. As soon as you will do that, your new form will come here. You can see this is your new form. You will just go on this link and you are now going to fill up this form. Now here you can see Pably Connect is waiting for the webhook response. So this webhook response is the details which we are going to submit here in this form. So name Arpit, last name is Sharma, email is ashirai284@gmail.com, and mobile number is a dummy number 9876545678. Okay, ashirai284 is my account. You can see Ashirai824. I'm really sorry. Thank God I did not submit it. Ashirai824@gmail.com is my account. So I'll just click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, you will see that here I'm going to get this webhook response. Now, why am I using Ashirai824@gmail.com? Because this is my Mailgun account. And here in dashboard, I'm going to show you what will happen. So here what I'm doing, here I am using a free account, and because I am using a free account and I am using it through Sandbox, what will happen, I can only send emails to these two verified IDs. ashira824@gmail.com and garymonroe677@gmail.com. And that is why I have used ashira824@gmail.com here, because in free account I can only send the message to these two IDs. Apart from that, I cannot send message to any other IDs. But when you will have a paid account of Mailgun, what you can do is of Mailgun as well as of this domain, what will happen that you can mail anyone. It is not necessary that you have to get these IDs verified here. So now I am using this one, and I have connected my Cognito Forms to my Pabbly Connect account here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to put an action window here, which is Mailgun. So we will go for Mailgun, and here in action event, what we are going to do, we are going to send. Now we will click on connect, and after clicking on connect, we will go for add new connection, and here you can see it is asking us for the API key and the private API key and then the Mailgun host. So what we are going to do, you can see here the instructions are given that to get your private API key, log into your account settings, go to security in Mailgun. So go here, go into your settings, and then here you can see API keys. So look at the API keys. Here you will find the API key as well as the private API key. So you can see this is the key. Just copy this key, go back, enter the API key here as well as here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to enter the Mailgun host. So Mailgun host is this one, because I am in the US region. If you are in the Europe region, you have to copy this one. I will copy this one and paste it. And now domain name. So here you can see the domain name to use from the list of domains in Mailgun. The domain must reside in the same region as selected above. So you can see from where we are going to take this domain, we will go back here, and here we have the option of domains. So we are going to see the domain here. So we will click on sending domains, and here you can see this is the domain. We will open this and we will copy this domain from here to here, not the question mark, and paste it here. Now click on save. And now your Mailgun account is now connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now what you have to do, you have to put the email address from which email address are you going to send. So what you are going to do, you are going to go here, then you will go for mailing lists, and here you are going to copy this, because this would be your email address from which you will be sending the mails, and paste it here. Now to email address, so here we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So I'll just go here and I will take the mail ashira824@gmail.com, here email subject, and here email body text. So what we are going to do, we are just going to put in body text and subject. So I have typed this for you. Now what we are going to do, you can see I have written this manually. Now here I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping. So here, hi. Now here the name of the person. So hi, Arpit Sharma, space, full stop and space. Thanks for filling up the form. Welcome to Pabbly. We are so lucky to have you as a special user. You will be among the first to hear about new arrivals, big events, and special offers. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with the questions. We would love to hear from you. Cheers, Pabbly. Okay. Now I'm just going to copy this as it is, and I am going to paste it here. And now I am going to convert it into HTML. So we will just delete this. Now I'm just going to map in the name here, Arpit Sharma. And now what we are going to do, we are going to just put in a bracket, BR. Now here, thanks for this and welcome back to Pabbly. Now BR here. Okay, this is our second bracket. We are so lucky to have you. As a special user, you will be among the first to hear about new arrivals. If you need support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. Okay. And here we are going to put one more bracket, BR. Cheers. BR. Okay. So this is how you are going to do this. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, I'm really sorry, friends. This is the part which will come in HTML, email body text, and this is the part which will come here in email body HTML. So this is my mistake. Let me just copy this and put it in HTML. Okay, first and last name Arpit Sharma. Perfect. Let me just delete this. And let me just correct this as well. And now this is the subject. So this is the body text basically. So paste it here. Correct this one as well. Arpit Sharma. Okay, so this is how it's done. And let me just delete this from here and let me put the subject. And the subject is thank you message. Okay. Okay. So it was done. A silly mistake, but now corrected. Now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here it is written ID is this, and here it is written queued, which means the message has been queued and then it will be sent to Ashi Rai. So I'll just go and open this Ashi Rai account, and here the message can be present in your inbox or it can go to spam as well. So let me just go and check my spam folder as well. And here you can see I have this message. Hi Arpit Sharma, thanks for filling the form. Welcome to Pabbly. We are so lucky to have you as a special user. You will be among the first to hear about new arrivals, big events and special offers. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. We would love to hear from you. Cheers Pabbly. And by mistake, I left this one there. So you can just, set it up accordingly. Okay. Now we are going to do this with another email ID. And as I said, I can only send it to two email IDs. So I have used my one email ID. And the second one is GaryMonroe677@gmail.com. So let me just copy this email address and let me just fill out a form here by this name and by this entry. So name is Gary Monroe. Email is this, GaryMonroe677@gmail.com. And mobile number is again a dummy mobile number here. Now just click on submit, and as soon as we will click on submit, an email will go to Gary Monroe as well. So let us just go and check the account of Gary Monroe. Now this is the account of Gary Monroe, and here you can see we do not have any message. So we will go to spam. Let's see if it is in spam. And yes, we have this message in spam, and you can see, hi Gary Monroe, thanks for filling the form. Welcome to Pabbly. We are so lucky to have you as a special user. You will be among the first to hear, and you can read the remaining part as well. So this is how you can connect your Cognito Forms to your Mailgun, so that whenever you have a new entry through Cognito Forms, directly an email will be sent to that person through Mailgun if you have that account which is paid and the domain name, so that you can use this automation in with the full flow. But I was using a free account, and that is why I could have only sent it to these two IDs, and that is why I have only used these two IDs. Okay, so just go and make this workflow and use it in your automation for your business life or your personal life. And if you do not want to create it, you can just copy this or clone this workflow from my description box into your account. But for that, you need to go and have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation information is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.